Starting with 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. Heat this up in the microwave in 30-second intervals at 50% power. After all the chocolate is good and melted, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. When you have it looking like this, it's time to add it to your tray. This makes about an 8x8 worth amount of fudge. Spread that out. Get that nice and even. Stick it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And now time to cut this up and enjoy it.